Hi, good afternoon. Yes, afternoon. I just feel like I'm not going to want to do it tonight, and I don't know why. And I have some time, and the boys aren't here. Nobody's listening. Nobody's outside the door. The cats are sleeping. All that good stuff. Everybody here is just bracing for the storm, whatever that means. So I did needle last night. I don't like to needle like right away. So I'm still going to use my serum. We are almost done. I can't believe it. I really, like I said, this is a really cool thing. Not that that's relevant to the conversation at all, but I'll give Lancome credit for having a cool bottle. Okay. And it says AM PM. I'm kind of in the middle because it's early afternoon. A friend of mine just stopped over. And I thought, oh, let me just do this now. Why not? We have Mass tonight. Yes, we'll be going to Mass at 5 p.m. It'll probably be crowded because I'm sure there won't be. It'll be crazy tomorrow if that's when the snow's coming. So anyway, whatever. So I have that. So I think I am adding another thing to over here because this is going to be gone. I know you guys haven't been with me for the whole time of this one, but it's a decent size, right? And look, the bottom, but it's so good that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh. Now, it's probably a little, I don't need this much cream, not gonna lie. I will soak it in. Okay. All right, let's be real. That's a lot. Okay, so maybe not. Maybe not today, because that's a lot. It's like I have Crisco on. Oh, Crisco. I'm showing my age. People might not even know what Crisco is. Okay. Boy, that feels so good. I'm pretty sure I have another one. I'm pretty sure my same friend got me this, but this is one more day. Easy. We're almost there. Almost there. All right, I'm gonna put some makeup on. Get ready for the rest of my day. And I hope you have a good one. Stay safe in any snow that you might get. All right.